Alright, welcome to my tutorial 1 video. Today we're going to be walking through problems 4 to 6 from the tutorial. So for problem 4, we had to add some CSS styling to our web page. Here you can see that I've made the background light blue. I have changed the text box to the color white, and I've aligned it to the center. And I've changed the font to Verdana and increased the font size. So here I'm going to run the server. Right over here I have them open currently. So this is what the server looks like. We have Hello World centered in white, and then both other text boxes have increased font size. Next up, we created a root, so we had to split this into, so we had the original getRequest method, and since they're both going to be getRequest, you can just make another branch into an if-else statement. Here we changed the object path name to login.html, since we are trying to get credentials from the user. And I pretty much use the same code, except we're going to add in a form down here. So as you can see, we want it to say credentials after they give it to us. Here you can see some more styling, just like the previous question. I have the text box set to username and password, just as like default values. So right at the top here, you can notice that the difference is here it says index, here it says login. That's just the object path name. So now we have user ID comes up with username, last name comes up with password. So let's say you wanted to make your username, I'll just use my name, Noah, password, Bertrand. So in problem 5, that would just give us a page not found, usually. But since I have done problem 6, we are actually going to be receiving the data and giving a little thank you for your request method, or a little string we're giving to them. Yeah, so if I click submit here to my username and last name, it says thank you for your request. And if we go to the command terminal, we have a post received data where it says my username is Noah, my p-word or password is Bertrand, my last name. And that's pretty much all of tutorial 6. Tutorial 1, problem 6. So thank you for listening.